back to the channel. This is Hamza with Trading Secrets. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today I wanted to talk to you about how to think like big money is thinking. Right, guys, this is very important. In this market, if you want to survive and if you want to strive in this market, you need to think like the big money. You got to understand how they're thinking, how they operate, right? Because let's just face it, right? Most of the volume, it's not coming from retail investors like us. It's coming from big institutions. It's coming from like a lot of these algorithms that are in play that are basically doing very systematic buying and selling, right? So what they're doing is they're using some tools, and then they enter the market, and then they exit the market without us even knowing, right? Because they have their orders in like small blocks, right? So there's small blocks of orders where they're gonna systematically break the price, and then obviously people like us, like retail investors, like you or me, we have these stop losses, right? Because we don't want to lose money, right? So that's how they're filling their large orders, and they're getting our shares, right? They're getting our shares, all our good plays, all the good companies that we have, they are buying it from us. So it's very important for us to understand how they're thinking, how they are getting our stop losses triggered, and basically we're getting stopped out of our place because the institutions are basically just robbing us, right? It's like they have these systematic orders that are coming in, and then they're breaking the price to a point, because we have very predictable stop losses, right? Like for example, what I used to do, I used to place stop losses at just random figures. I don't want to lose 20% or 30% of my profit, or and then after that I would see the stock, after I'm stopped out, I will see the stock go back up. And guess what? I'm out of the play already, even though I had high conviction. But when I see the stock falling, I'm thinking, hey, you know what? Maybe it's just gonna keep dropping. Another thing you guys can do is, which is very helpful, is look at the market. Look at the market. If the market is falling and your stock is falling, it's okay. It's all right. Because obviously, if a stock is listed on a specific exchange, right? It's on Nasdaq, New York Stock Exchange, or wherever. If S&P is falling, and and your stock is falling, it's all right. The broader market. So just look at the broader market, what the broader market is doing. If your stock is on Nasdaq and Nasdaq is falling, or it's on a different exchange, and the exchange, everything is falling, just check the index, because if the index is falling, your chances are that the stock is also going to fall. But yeah, if the stock is behaving opposite to the broader market, that's when you guys really, we need to go and see if the fundamentals on the company has changed. What has changed? Did they do an offering? Did they have some filing with the SEC? They declared something which is causing some panic selling? Because obviously if you're looking at the company, because guys, fundamentals are never going to lie. They're going to catch up. At the end, they're always going to catch up. So what you want to do is you want to look at the fundamentals. If nothing has changed, the stock is falling, it's fine. It's just a chance to accumulate more, right? If you want to take profits, sell into strength, guys. Just sell into strength. Sell on green. When the stock is going up, when it's green, just sell it. Because when the stock is going down, it's more emotional selling and more panic selling than rational selling. So you guys need to be very rational. You guys don't need to be making decisions which are based on emotions. Because I know controlling emotions is the hardest thing in trading. So have a strategy. If it's a swing trade or a long-term trade, if it's a set it and forget it, then it's different, right? So every stock for everybody has a different strategy, right? For me personally, if I have a high conviction play, I usually, if it runs up 50% or 100% or 200%, I would take out my original. Sometimes I'll just take out my original investment, and then I'll let the rest ride, and then just have a stop loss at my cost. so I don't lose what I paid. But other than that, I'll let it run up. Or some companies, I'm not gonna have a stop loss. I'm not gonna sell. I'm just gonna leave it there. It can go up, it can come down, it can go up, it can come down, because I'm just trying to see, because imagine, there's a lot of people who are holding Tesla for the last 10 years, or they are holding Nvidia for the last 6 years. What if they would have, they would have had stop losses, right? They would have been stopped out, and they would have missed out on all the 100x or whatever gains that these companies have given, right? I would just say, have a strategy, guys. It's very important to have a strategy. Otherwise, the market manipulators, all these whales they're gonna eat you alive. It's just, I mean, there's no good way to put it. We have all been there. I've learned over the years that if the stock is coming down, it's, for me, my favorite plays, I love them. I would want them to come down. Like, I would love for Tesla right now to come down. I mean, I don't want people to lose money, but I'm just saying hypothetically, if it comes down, or they push it down to maybe like 300, or I would be all over it. It comes down to 250, I'll be like all in, because I know eventually the stock is going to like 500, 600 and beyond, right? Same thing with Nvidia. If they push down Nvidia to 150, right now it's at 190, or 180, it goes down to 150. I like it more, guys. If you like a stock at $100, you gotta like it more at 50, because if you're thinking it's gonna go to 200, then that's all the more reason for you to be just adding up more. But just keep some liquid, guys. Just keep some dry powder. Don't just go all in at once. Keep some dry powder. So it's very important that you keep some dry powder, because if you don't have it, then you're just gonna look at the stocks go down, and then there's an amazing buying opportunity that you guys are gonna miss out on, right? It's just like, if you want to invest $100, just don't invest it all at once. Just keep some dry powder. And your portfolio, right, guys, just understand this thing. Cash is also a position. Just like you have different positions, cash is also a position, which you need to spend wisely. Make sure that you're informed. You always do your due diligence on the stocks that you're buying. Make sure you have high conviction. Make sure you know what the company is doing. You do your research, just do it, and then just make sure you check the balance sheets. I will make another video on how to check the balance sheets, and how to check what the company, how the company is doing, and how to know that what kind of cash they have on hand, what kind of financials they got, what's operating, their operating expense, or are they running a net loss or whatnot. I'll make another video on it, but for now, I just wanted to make this video so you guys know how the big money is thinking, and what you guys should be thinking, and how you guys should be thinking when you're investing. No matter you can be like an experienced investor, like you can be an experienced, like very very experienced investor, or you can be like a new investor. Doesn't matter. It's very important, because guys, believe it or not, it just happens to everybody. I can deny all I want, but I wake up and I see my portfolio go down. It hurts. I just don't even look at my portfolio, because I know, I just look at the stocks. If it's going down, I have my levels where I'm gonna buy more. I know that, hey, if this stock hits this level, I'm gonna buy more. If it hits this level, I'm gonna buy more, because guess what? Now I can write it back up, and I can make more money, and then the stock is giving me a chance to accumulate more at a lower price, right, guys? So guys, be strong. The markets are gonna do their thing. They're gonna come down, go back up, come down, go sideways. Have your conviction. Don't give up on your favorite plays just because just because the market is moving a little bit, and you're just panicking. Don't do that, guys. Hey, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the video. I am a new channel. I'm still learning. I'm new to YouTube. I have a lot to offer. I still have a lot of the camera anxiety coming in, but hopefully, with time, I'm going to get rid of it, and I'll keep getting better, and I'll keep creating more content for you guys. And if you want me to cover a specific topic, let me know in the comments below. I will do it. And I thank you a lot for your support. You know, I can't thank you enough for tuning in and all the support that you're giving me. It really means the world to me. And I will see you all next time. Take care, guys.